roundabout, follow the road ahead, second exit towards Jolie, please. Carla, I just want to speak to you about incident which you may not realize happened, but I will tell you. So near to Ewood Football Club, as you were coming down, there was a cyclist in front of you. So when you try to overtake the cyclist, so you have used the broken chicane lane, which is a fine thing to do. Before you change your direction, I did not see your mirrors again. What if somebody else overtaking him? Okay.
Yes.
Also, whenever you're overtaking a cyclist, because they are also pedaling going in the same direction as you are. Once you overtake, you have to give him 1.5 meter. I felt you did not give him enough room, so give him at least 1.5 door or 2 doors. But as you overtake him, you come back very quickly. Remember, he's also cycling. So what you should do, go forward slightly. Check your mirrors first and then move over there. Did you do that, all that?
No.
There was no anticipation for the cyclist at all, yeah? Now the second thing is, so as we're going, so the Ewood roundabout, where the McDonald's is, we were going second exit. So you have got your lane, the right lane, and you have got a cyclist lane there. Did you notice that?
No, but now you've said it, I can see it in my head.
So what happened there? Yes, your positioning was good, but then you end up stopping yourself into his lane. So, but also, did you anticipate it? Because he was pedaling, obviously he was cycling, isn't it? Yeah. So he should have come behind you. So what happened? We stopped there because there was a traffic coming from the right. Did you anticipate it? He came right next to us over there.
No.
Do you notice I opened that window and I say sorry to him? Do you notice that?
No.
Why do you think I did that?
Because I went into his lane.
You went to his lane, but also you did not. So this is an important lesson. A lot of people are going to watch this. This is where the forward planning comes in, anticipation comes in. So you knew you have the cyclist behind you, so overtook him. You have got a cyclist lane over there. How come you end up going over there? It's very, very important to think about it, because obviously if this is your lesson, I have done everything, but if this is your exam, think about safety. How would you gonna feel if you are cycling and I overtook you and I come back very quickly without giving any room? Are you gonna be happy? You're gonna be, what if you panic and then you wobble and you fell down?
So that's what I could have caused.
So you did not anticipate that at all, did you?
No, I definitely should have given more room, and then I should have gone in his lane.
No, definitely not. Okay.